Building your first gaming PC. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can build your own PC. First, choose your components. Select the right CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage based on your gaming needs and budgets. Gather tools. Prepare the necessary tools, including a screwdriver and anti-static wristband. Assembly process. Follow a clear sequence. Install the CPU, RAM, and GPU onto the motherboard before placing it into the case. Then we have wiring, connect all components and ensure proper cable management for airflow. Then software setup, install the operating system and drivers to complete your setup. You will also receive a guide with the components you are using, so you can read the guide as well for proper installment. Building your gaming PC can be a rewarding experience. With this guide, you will create a powerful machine tailored to your gaming preferences.